What if I told you there was an advanced and secret way to use Google to deliver floods of traffic to your website, and to do it for pennies? And what if I also told you that hardly anybody uses this method, but anybody could? And what if I also told you that Keyword Elite 2.0 makes this dead simple to do? In fact, simpler than any other tool available. Well, that's what Advanced Google Site Targeter is all about. You start with step 1, identifying the keyword phrase you'd like to advertise on. Let's say you have a weight loss product you'd like to sell. So you simply type weight loss into step 1, and then in step 2, you select the number of Google advertisers you'd like to find. You can set this anywhere from 10 to 200 results. We're going to leave it set for 10. Advanced options include the maximum number of pages to crawl in Google and the maximum number of inner pages to crawl. We're going to leave these advanced options set the way they are for right now and just click Start. Advanced Google Site Targeter goes to work starting to return results for sites that rank on this weight loss keyword term. And you can see the information that's being populated in mere seconds, including the domain name, the keyword, the rank, the domain's page rank, that's the page rank within Google, the URL that's ranking, and also the Alexa rank. Now, this is key because the Alexa rank shows us the amount of traffic that the site is actually getting. The lower this number, the better. For instance, this site, Hate Weight, has an Alexa ranking of 959,560. That means that of all the sites on the internet, it ranks number 959,000. As a bit of perspective, this site, weightloss.about.com, ranks number 74 on the entire internet. YouTube, which obviously carries some weight loss videos, or we wouldn't be seeing it here, shows up at number 3, and obviously the lower the number, the better. That means it's the higher ranking site. So, how do we use this information? Well, what I would recommend doing is sorting on the Alexa column so that we have the highest ranking sites at the top, and looking for those sites that have AdSense advertising on them. For instance, weightloss.about.com has an Alexa ranking of 74. It also accepts Google AdSense. So we could have our AdSense ads, or our AdWords ads rather, show up on their website. You think that might be of some value on a highly trafficked site like this one? Now, there's no AdSense found on any of these sites, so we can ignore them. In fact, this site, all the way down to this site, no AdSense, so we can ignore those sites. But this site, naturalnews.com, ranks at number 9,680, which is actually still a very good ranking. The domain has a page rank of 6, and they accept AdSense, so we could click on this page to find where the Google AdSense ads are. So this is that highly ranked, highly trafficked page. And what we're looking to see is where are these Google ads that Google Site Targeter found for us. Oh, so there they are. So do you think it might be valuable to have your weight loss ad show up here? You bet. So now you can go into Google Site Targeting in your Google AdWords account and select this site to have your ads show up on specifically. Now, let's say that you didn't want to use Google AdWords to advertise on that site. You wanted to go more direct. Well, you could click over here under Who Is and find the actual owner information about that site and contact them directly to set up some other kind of joint venture. And you could simply go through this list of sites and do the exact same thing over and over again, targeting and having your ads show up on the most trafficked sites on the internet, often for pennies on the dollar of what you might normally pay for advertising. This is a powerful strategy that very few people use, but truthfully, everybody should be using. And now, using Advanced Google Site Targeter inside Keyword Elite 2.0, you've got the easiest, fastest to use tool on the internet. In fact, there's no other tool that does all this, and you've got it as part of Keyword Elite.